Universal Load Banks, headquartered in Michigan, is one of the fastest-growing manufacturers of AC and DC load banks in the United States. We are committed to delivering high-performance, reliable load testing solutions trusted by industries worldwide. We offer a wide range of load banks, including AC resistive, reactive, capacitive, and DC models. These are available in portable, stationary, and containerized formats with power capacities ranging from 20 kilowatts to over 20,000 kilowatts, supporting applications in data centers, utilities, defense, and more. Our DC load banks provide precise current control within plus or minus 1 ampere, covering a voltage range of 10 volts DC to 1200 volts DC. They can operate in constant current or constant kilowatt mode for advanced test flexibility. Before we dive into the LoadEZ software, let's take a moment to highlight some of the key features that make ULB load banks stand out. First, our load banks feature exclusive automatic tap selection for control transformers. They support a wide range of input voltages, including 208, 240, 380, 415, and 480 volts. Once connected, the system automatically selects the correct tap, no manual adjustment required. They also offer automatic tap selection for 3-phase blower motors. You'll find real-time blower, voltage and current monitoring, which enables automatic fault detection. With built-in Ethernet capability, remote access and control becomes seamless. For added convenience, forward and reverse blower motor control is available in both manual and automatic modes, eliminating any concern about incorrect phase sequence. Automatic mode is optional. Each unit includes a 7-inch local touchscreen HMI for intuitive operation and fast troubleshooting. And finally, comprehensive data logging and alarm history provide clear diagnostics and help with performance analysis. Our systems support Ethernet daisy chaining of up to 200 load banks as standard. For larger installations, we can expand beyond this number upon request. Now let us talk about LoadEZ software features. We offer a 14-inch rugged tablet, and it comes with LoadEZ pre-installed, giving operators the ability to monitor and control up to 200 load banks from a single interface. For wired communication, simply connect the load banks in a daisy chain using standard Ethernet cables. At one end of the chain, connect the LoadEZ tablet. This setup allows to monitor and control all connected load banks directly from the tablet. Wireless communication. Wi-Fi adapter can be installed at the end of the load bank and use the tablet on Wi-Fi for wireless communication. It is recommended to use wired communication in case Wi-Fi coverage is not stable or weak. True plug-and-play connectivity. One of LoadEZ standout features is its true plug-and-play connectivity. No need to manually scan devices on the network. Simply daisy chain multiple load banks using standard Ethernet cables. LoadEZ automatically detects all connected load banks, making setup fast, easy, and hassle-free. It is just plug and play. It is eliminating the need to power on the master before the slave, or vice versa. This intelligent auto-detection system eliminates the need for complex network configurations, giving you instant control without extra steps. LoadEZ also supports hot swap capability, designed for uninterrupted operation. If you need to add or remove a load bank during operation, it's simple. Just connect or disconnect the unit and select the one you want to operate. There's no need to restart the system or reconfigure anything. LoadEZ will automatically detect and integrate any new load bank you connect, even while the system is running. LoadEZ also gives you full selective control over your connected load banks. For example, if you have 60 load banks connected but only need to operate 50, simply uncheck the ones you don't want to run. You can operate only the units you need, enabling quick and efficient testing without any unnecessary load. LoadEZ simplifies startup by eliminating any dependency on power-up order. There's no need to power on slave load banks before the master. You can power on all units in any order. LoadEZ automatically manages communication and control, making the setup process faster and more reliable. LoadEZ offers powerful load profile management with virtually no limits. You can create and manage up to 30,000 load profiles to meet your testing needs. Profiles can be built directly within LoadEZ, or you can prepare them in Excel format and upload them with a single click. It's flexible, scalable, and designed for high-volume testing environments. LoadEZ provides real-time fault detection and live monitoring to keep your system running smoothly. If a load bank encounters a fault, LoadEZ immediately identifies the specific unit, allowing you to view detailed fault status for each load bank. Individually, you can also monitor key parameters in real time, including voltage, current, load status, external voltage presence, and more. This gives you full visibility and control, right when you need it most. With LoadEZ Clearing System, faults are simple and fast. You can reset all load bank faults across the system with a single click. No need to manually reset each unit. Now let's see how to use the LoadEZ software. Start by opening the LoadEZ application. Enter your username and password, then press Login. Next, you'll be prompted to select the control type, single or multiple load bank control. Let's select single load bank to control one unit from LoadEZ. Click on the ID to select which load bank you want to operate. In this case, we'll select ID 1. You can always return to this page by clicking Network Selection. From the main screen, you can monitor system status. To view active alarms, click All Alarm. To clear all alarms, press Clear Alarm. You can also monitor real-time parameters for troubleshooting and diagnostics. To control the load bank, first select Remote Enable. Then set the desired load, hour, and minutes press the Load Apply button to apply the load press, Load Drop to remove it. Pressing E-Stop will shut off both the load and the fan immediately. You can monitor system behavior over time by using the trend screen. To activate a load profile, press Edit Load, step enter the time and kilowatt values. The values can be entered manually or uploaded from an Excel sheet. Then, enable the load profile, enter the start and end steps, and press Start. You can start or stop the profile at any time, and the system will display the current profile status. Back on the main screen, click Loop Test for hot or cold loop testing. Cold. Loop testing should only be done when no power is connected to the bus bar. To perform it, disconnect power to the bus bar, connect only external control power, turn on the load bank, and proceed. For a hot loop test, connect three-phase power to the bus bar, then turn on the required load steps and apply or drop the load. When PDU Enable is selected, LoadEZ will allow you to perform a PDU test. To exit the application, first press Log Out, then press Exit to close the LoadEZ software completely. Now, let's walk through how to operate multiple load banks using LoadEZ. Start by opening the LoadEZ application. Enter your username and password, then press Login. You'll be asked to select a control type, single or multiple load bank control. Let's select multiple load banks for this demonstration. On this screen, you'll see the total number of load banks detected on the network, the number of selected load banks, and the number of active load banks currently in operation. You can select up to 200 load banks for control. To monitor a specific load bank, simply click on its ID. This brings up individual parameters, real-time data, and alarm information for that unit. Ideal for monitoring and troubleshooting. Press the back button to return to the main screen. If you're working with more than 100 load banks, select above 100 load banks to enable extended control. Make sure the group ID is set to 2 on the HMI for systems with over 100 units. All other operations remain the same as in single load bank mode. At the top, the status banner gives you live updates for each load bank. Whether communication is successful, alarms are present, load is applied, or the unit is ready and healthy. You can choose between three control modes. Equal, evenly distributes load across selected load bank sequence, applies load in a step-by-step sequence individual, lets you manually set kilowatt values for each load bank. Let's now control the load banks first. Select Remote Enable, choose the number of load banks to operate. Select the control mode, equal, sequence, or individual set the desired load. Duration in hours and minutes. Press load. Apply to apply the load, press load drop to remove it. In this demo, let's select equal, and now press load apply. If needed, pressing E-stop will immediately shut off both the load and fans across all active load banks. The trend screen works just like in single load bank mode. Ensure the master load bank ID is configured to display the reference voltage correctly in the trend chart. Load profile management also works the same way. The only difference is that it now applies based on the selected mode, equal or sequence. 2. Activate a load profile. On the main screen, select equal or sequence, press Edit Load. Step enter the time and kilowatt values manually or upload them using an Excel SV file. Enable the load profile, select the start and end steps, then press Start. You can start or stop the profile at any time, and LoadEZ will show the current progress and status. Note: cold loop and hot loop tests are only available in single load bank mode. For any additional questions, please feel free to contact Universal Load Banks.